Ooh, I like the seats. Oh, I love the shifter. That's dope. Oh, the screens, the gauges.
You know what's funny about them? You can't see them. The steering wheel blocks this gauge and whatever would be here.
Door handle is sick. Is this the same color as your Miata? Miata look like this?
This.
Brand new 992 Porsche Carrera. The headlights are so cool. Ooh, I really like that. I even like how they do the Porsche letters. They kind of like bulge out. So this 992 is in today because we're going to be doing a Clearbra on the full front end. We have the front emblem taken off. We also have the license plate taken off. Dealership drilled holes into the bumper. His hand. Don't look at me. Look at his hands. Dude, that's a great idea, Dustin. If you want land, find a girl on Farmers Only.
It's like Dustin's girlfriend watches the vlogs. Dustin's gonna get home and his girlfriend is gonna... You have something to say?
Dude, if you meet a girl on Farmers Only, Dustin, who has a lot of land, it may be one of those situations where you have to like prove yourself to the father. He doesn't like you at first, but then he makes you do like a lot of manual labor.
He's like, what do you drive? A T-Hill.
He doesn't like you at first, but you try your hardest to like get his approval, and eventually he ends up in a situation where he's about to die, and then you really show your shining colors, and he's like, you know what? I hope my daughter marries you one day. And then he gives you like the paper or the key to the land, whatever they call it there, the title. Not only do you get the land, you get like 17 cows, 4 goats, and 2 sheep, you know? If that happens to you, don't forget about us. Just got done with this new Carrera 992. So we Clearbra the entire full front end, the hood, the bumper, the fenders, the mirrors. Love how Clearbra looks on silver or gray color cars. It just looks really glossy, looks virtually invisible, more so than even other colors. EVS custom hood, wrapped edges all the way around. It looks amazing. The metallic flakes from the GT silver paint just really pops through, doesn't hinder it at all whatsoever, and that's what you're really looking for in a Clearbra. And the best part is, since our film is hydrophobic, this will make it a lot easier to clean whenever he needs to. Just as some maintenance on the H1, so we're gonna go for a test drive just to make sure that everything is done correctly.
Oh, who sat here? You sit like a little rat. Can I get a sausage jalapeno cheese kolache? 2.
Oh, sick!
Thank you. Yeah, can I get a strawberry smoothie with no strawberry? Yeah, no strawberry. What?
Oh man, this blue is freaking hypnotic.
It's like cupcake icing.
Okay. We're gonna be doing intake and access port on this one. Man, I love this color. It's sick.
Ugh.
Ooh. These are nice. Cobb intake, carbon fiber. Very cool.
Dang,
the filters are pretty cool. Carbon fiber looking.
Damn, it makes my car feel so dated.
Your car is dated, Ted.
Gojira! You ordered HKS exhaust, so we're gonna help him install that too. Step 2! Oh baby! Hey, we sold you a GT-R, right? Yeah. He's missing it right now.
I don't know if I am.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know if I am. It's cool. I don't know if I am though.
Both cars go down the street. You're gonna look at this car more. Because it's blue or because it's GT-R? Okay, well, are we talking stock RX-7? How about both modified?
Depends. Now you're getting.
I say it's my car because it's rare. And people are like, what the f*** is that?
Well, it's too hard now. It's like how modified? Because now it's like what scale?
Liberty Walk, this, or RE Amamiya White Body.
Oh, for sure. I still look at this.
I look at the GT-R. I'm trying to agree to it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
We got the intake pipes installed, as you guys can see. So right now we're actually getting ready to tune it.
It's saving the factory data. That way, if you ever want to return it to stock, it'll put it back to the same. Okay.
So you guys may have noticed where we put the access port. So Tyler wasn't sure where to put it. I told him to put it there because I think it looks a lot.
You literally had no doing. I just said, hey, you think that looks clean?
I said, yo, put it between the left and the right side, on the left side of the screen. It looks a lot cleaner in that little cluster of technology gadgets.
You didn't say that.
I totally did.
You didn't say that.
Not too long ago, Ted bought those absurdly expensive back seats that were all destroyed.
27 years.
Ew, it smells like my dad's old Hummer.
Yeah, I was saying that.
Got these upholsters, so they look a lot better. It's not the greatest job, I must admit, but you know, it's really interesting. Ted's willing to pay so much for the seats, but was willing to cheap out on the actual reupholstery. Looks pretty good, looks a lot better than before, so we're gonna be installing these today.
You're losing so much storage. What do you mean what we use it for? You got so much stuff in there. Come check it out. There's like no seats. Look at all that room. For you, it's like a mansion.
Do you like this car, Elise?
They ask you how you are
He's gonna make you sit back there. Are you excited?
when you're not really fine.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time. Alright. Did you hack the control panel, bypass the mainframe, and see what pulled up? So, do you know what you're doing?
No, it's my first time doing it. I have a lot of confidence because I was a child of the 90s. I am one with the 90s.